Range script loaded. You can now press Escape, select Choose Slot and pick your aircraft. You have chosen to start the mission in the air. Please increase the propeller pitch lever up to cruise power. Use trim to level the aircraft and navigate on a heading 340 degrees. Maintain 200 knots and ascend to arrive at the next waypoint at 5,000 feet altitude. Press spacebar once you have trimmed the aircraft. The Pucara has a built-in armament of 4 FN Browning 7.62mm single-barrel machine guns, mounted on the fuselage sides. Each has a 900-round magazine, a maximum rate of fire of 1,000 rounds per minute, and a maximum range of 1,800 meters. In addition, it carries 2 Hispano-Suiza HS-804, 20mm cannons, taken from the retired fleet of Gloucester Meteor of the Argentinian Air Force, mounted ventrally, each with 270 rounds. They have a rate of fire of 700 rounds per minute and a maximum range of 4,000 meters. On this mission, you will have to strafe 3 gun targets available on the southern side of the range. Perform at least 3 passes over the strafing pits, 1 for each target. Perform the passes on a west to east general direction, so that the mission logic can keep track of them. You can make as many passes as you want, while you still have ammunition left. You can access the attack statistics calling up the F10 option of the communications menu. The procedure for using the cannons or machine guns is as follows. 1. Master arm safety switch. Set to its right position, armed. A green light above it illuminates. 2. Gun sight power. Set to on. Right-click the ANT switch to its up position, to activate the gun sight. 3. Gun sight depression. Set. We don't have access to the gunnery tables of the real aircraft, so you will have to practice a bit to find a value that goes well with your gunnery style. We suggest a value of -25 for a 15-degree strafing dive using the machine guns. 4. Weapon selector knob. You can set it to either AMT for machine guns, or CAN for cannons. The AMS position on the real aircraft fires only the top 2 machine guns, but currently on the sim it still fires all 4 of them. Select the cannon's position, as we will begin our training using these weapons first. Good, you have selected the cannons. Once you have run out of ammo, change over to the machine guns. It is important to note that the machine guns are fired by fully pressing the flight stick's trigger, while the cannons are fired by pressing the weapon release button. The weapons are now ready to use. Test the cannons by giving a short press on the weapon release button. Try it now. Press spacebar once you have tested the cannons. We have reached waypoint 2. Turn right to enter the weapons range on a easterly heading. The gun strafing pits are at the southern side of the range. Select one of the 3 available pits and align to make a pass over it. Begin the dive, keeping the targeting reticle centered over the gun target. Wait until the sight center dot is over the desired target, then press on the stick either the gun trigger to fire the machine guns, or the weapon release to fire the cannons. Pull back on the stick to exit the dive and climb back up. Increase throttle. Good pass. If you still have ammo, turn right 180 degrees towards a westerly heading, and perform another pass. Start climbing back to at least 3,000 feet. Remember that you can select the machine guns in case the cannons are out of ammo. Second pass. Turn back 180 degrees towards a west heading, and perform another pass. Start climbing back to at least 3,000 feet. Remember that you can select the machine guns in case the cannons are out of ammo. Third pass. If your cannons are out of ammo, change to machine guns and do another pass. Start climbing back to at least 3,000 feet. Remember that you can select the machine guns in case the cannons are out of ammo. Good pass. If you still have ammo, turn back 180 degrees, and perform another pass. If you are out of ammunition, then return to a nap on a heading of 143 degrees. deactivate the armament, with this procedure. 1. Master arm safety switch. Set to its left position. The green light goes out. 2. Gun sight power. Set to off. Left-click the ANT switch to its down position, to deactivate the gun sight. 3. Weapon selector knob. Turn to the no position, where no weapon is selected. You can check your range results by calling up the communications menu. Select F10. Other. Then select F1. Range. Finally, click F1 again. My strafe results. Unfortunately, the Pucara and DCS can't communicate with air traffic control, ATC, so you must use the F10 map to be aware of other air traffic that may be flying near an APA. Press spacebar once you have checked the F10 map. You have reached waypoint 4. Reduce speed and altitude. Turn right 90 degrees, towards an APA. Since you can't contact an APA's ATC to request landing, check the F10 map to confirm there is no other air traffic near the runway. Perform a visual landing. Touchdown. Press backspace if you want to end the mission now, or spacebar if you want to practice the taxi to the parking ramp. This is taxiway C. Proceed forward to apron 2. Park on spot number 23. Well done, this is spot number 23. You have finished this training mission. Press spacebar to exit the mission.